How to get $100 Domino's Pizza promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Domino and search for it. With that, you will land to Domino's Pizza Coupons page. In this page, you will be able to find tons of offers and deals. From humble beginnings as a single pizza restaurant in 1960, Domino's has become today's recognized world leader in pizza delivery. But it wasn't just delivery that made Domino's successful. The company was an early adopter of technology and innovation. Bruce mentions the 30-minute guarantee for pizza delivery that the company introduced in 1989. This guarantee allowed Domino's to compete with other pizza giants. Domino's was the innovator behind their sturdy corrugated pizza box, which keeps moisture from weakening the box and prevents cheese from sticking to the top of the box during delivery because nobody wants a messy pizza. To get offers on those menus, you can use these coupon codes. In this page, you will be able to find tons of great deals. You can see that 20% off, 45% off, likewise $7 off, and so on. If you are interested in any of the deals, click on the option of See Details. Firstly, make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code if it is valid or not. Now you can copy this coupon code and use it while you check out. I have selected $12 off. So if you want to use this code right away, click on this option Redeem at Domino's Pizza. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Domino's. Now you can log into your account, and while you check out, you can use this code. By applying the same process, you can grab other offers of Domino's Pizza. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Domino's Pizza promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.